You look in the mirror and see redness, breakouts, dry patches, maybe even those tiny bumps on your arms. So you try lotions, medicated creams, even steroids, but nothing really fixes it. What if the problem isn't your skin, but your gut? Yes, your skin is often the first warning sign of internal dysfunction, especially in your digestive system. Today we're diving into 5 gut-related reasons your skin might be freaking out, and the medically sound ways to fix it. Chapter 1. Gut microbiome. Imbalance. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, some helpful, some harmful. A balanced microbiome keeps your immune system in check, helps digestion, and yes, maintains healthy skin. But here's what happens when antibiotics, poor diet, or chronic stress disrupt this balance. Bad bacteria thrive, leading to systemic inflammation, which often shows up in the form of rosacea, acne, or random flare-ups on the face. Even the treatment for rosacea, antibiotics, is a clue. It suppresses bacteria, but doesn't fix the root problem. Medical insight: a 2018 study in Frontiers in Microbiology confirmed that dysbiosis in the gut directly correlates with skin inflammation like rosacea and acne. Inflammation from the gut can reach the skin through the gut-skin axis, activating immune cells that trigger redness and swelling. Solutions: take a broad-spectrum probiotic with strains like Lactobacillus rhamnosus and Bifidobacterium longum. Avoid processed foods and sugar that feed bad bacteria. Eat prebiotic foods, garlic, onions, asparagus. Chapter 2. SIBO. Bacteria in the wrong place. Imagine this: the bacteria in your gut have migrated into the wrong neighborhood. That's SIBO. Small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. These bacteria are supposed to live in your large intestine, not your small one. But when they spread, they compete with your body for nutrients. You get bloated, fatigued, and your skin? It's a mess. Rosacea, dullness, or weird breakouts that don't go away. Medical insight: according to a 2020 study in Digestive Diseases and Sciences, up to 80% of people with rosacea tested positive for SIBO. SIBO can interfere with fat absorption, reduce nutrient uptake, and trigger systemic inflammation. Solutions: consider a low FODMAP diet to starve the bad bacteria. Use natural antimicrobials, oregano oil, berberine, and garlic extract under medical supervision. Intermittent fasting, 16-8 or even OMAD, can help rebalance the gut bacteria. Chapter 3. Gut inflammation plus zinc deficiency. Here's a silent killer of skin health: chronic gut inflammation. You might feel it as bloating, discomfort, or food sensitivities, but internally it's preventing your body from absorbing zinc, a mineral essential for skin repair and immune balance. Without enough zinc, you might see flaky, red skin around the nose or mouth, rashes that don't heal, slow wound healing. Medical insight: zinc deficiency is associated with dermatitis, acne, and perioral dermatitis. Clinical Dermatology, 2019. Inflammation blocks mineral absorption, especially zinc, iron, and magnesium. Solutions: eliminate inflammatory triggers, gluten, dairy, seed oils, high in omega-6. Add zinc-rich foods, oysters, pumpkin seeds, red meat. Supplement with zinc picolinate or zinc gluconate, 15 to 30 milligrams daily under doctor supervision. Chapter 4. Damaged villi and vitamin D. Malabsorption. The inside of your gut is lined with microscopic structures called villi, little finger-like projections that absorb nutrients. But long-term inflammation damages them. They shrink, die off, and suddenly, you're deficient in vital nutrients like vitamin D. Vitamin D isn't just for bones. It regulates your immune system and helps control autoimmune skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema. Medical insight: vitamin D receptors are found in skin cells. Low levels are linked to higher rates of autoimmune flare-ups. Poor gut function equals poor absorption equals chronic skin conditions. Solutions: get 15 to 30 minutes of sun exposure daily. Take vitamin D3 plus K2, 2,000 to 5,000 IU per day. Repair gut lining with L-glutamine, bone broth, and collagen peptides. Chapter 5. Gallbladder issues and vitamin A deficiency. If you've had your gallbladder removed or it's not functioning well, you may not produce enough bile. And that's a problem. Bile helps break down fats and absorb fat-soluble vitamins, like A, D, E, and K. Vitamin A is key for skin regeneration. Without it, you might develop keratosis pilaris, those little bumps on your arms or legs. Medical insight. Vitamin A retinol is needed for healthy skin cell turnover. Gallbladder dysfunction leads to malabsorption, especially of fat-soluble nutrients. Solutions. Supplement with ox bile, purified bile salts, or TUDCA, a bile acid that supports liver and bile flow. Eat beef liver, cod liver oil, or pasture-raised egg yolks, all rich in retinol. Pair vitamin A with healthy fats for better absorption. Chapter 6. Heal from the inside out. Healing your skin isn't about the perfect serum, it's about restoring gut health. And that starts with food and lifestyle. Eat real, whole foods. Fermented vegetables, raw dairy, leafy greens, clean meats. For many, going carnivore or low carb for a while gives the gut a break and allows it to heal. And don't forget, homemade probiotics, like fermented carrots or raw sauerkraut, can reintroduce good bacteria without the side effects of pills. Medical insight. Diets high in sugar, refined carbs, and omega-6 oils disrupt gut flora. Fermented foods reintroduce beneficial microbes and promote better digestion and immune balance. Solutions. Intermittent fasting, 12 to 16 hours. Fermented foods, kimchi, kefir, sauerkraut. Homemade probiotics, e.g. fermented garlic honey. Glutamine supplementation to repair the gut lining. Chapter 7. Stress, cortisol, and the skin barrier. You've probably heard the phrase, "I'm breaking out from stress." Well, it's not just in your head. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, a hormone that affects everything, including your skin's ability to heal and protect itself. Stress disrupts your gut lining, causing leaky gut, kills beneficial bacteria, and weakens your skin barrier, leading to eczema, psoriasis, acne, and even premature aging. Medical insight. A 2021 study in Nature Reviews Gastroenterology showed that high cortisol levels lead to microbial imbalance and gut lining damage. Stress also triggers mast cells in the skin, releasing histamines and causing inflammation. Solutions. Practice daily deep breathing, meditation, or even 5-minute mindfulness breaks. Take adaptogens like ashwagandha or rhodiola with professional guidance. Prioritize sleep. It regulates cortisol better than anything else. Chapter 8. Leaky gut syndrome. What if your gut is leaking toxins into your bloodstream? That's not just a metaphor, it's called leaky gut syndrome. When the tight junctions in your intestines break down, undigested food, bacteria, and toxins sneak into your bloodstream, triggering immune reactions and systemic inflammation, which shows up on the skin. This is a hidden root cause of eczema, chronic acne, and hives. Medical insight. Leaky gut is associated with autoimmune skin disorders like dermatitis, herpetiformis, and eczema. Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology. Zonulin, a protein marker of leaky gut, is found in high levels in patients with psoriasis. Solutions. Remove gut irritants, sugar, gluten, alcohol, processed foods. Heal the gut lining with L-glutamine, zinc carnosine, and bone broth. Use quercetin, a natural bioflavonoid that supports tight junction integrity. Chapter 9. Food intolerances and skin reactions. Sometimes it's not what you eat. It's what your body can't tolerate. Food intolerances are like silent saboteurs. You eat something, say gluten or dairy, and hours later you get a breakout or rash. That's because intolerances trigger immune responses in the gut, leading to histamine release and inflammation that reaches the skin. Medical insight. Common intolerances like gluten, casein, and soy are linked to acne and urticaria, Dermatoendocrinology Journal. Intolerances also increase intestinal permeability, aka leaky gut, worsening skin flare-ups. Solutions. Try an elimination diet for 21 to 30 days. Remove gluten, dairy, soy, corn, eggs. Slowly reintroduce foods and track skin changes. Consider food sensitivity testing to pinpoint hidden triggers. Chapter 10. Hormonal gut-skin connection. Your hormones don't work in isolation. They're deeply connected to your gut. In fact, gut bacteria help metabolize estrogen, insulin, and even testosterone. If your gut is out of balance, these hormones become unregulated, leading to hormonal acne, oily skin, or dry, irritated skin due to estrogen dominance. Medical insight: gut flora affects estrogen metabolism via the estrobolome, a collection of bacteria that break down excess estrogen. Insulin resistance, often caused by high sugar intake, increases sebum production and clogged pores. Solutions: balance blood sugar with a low glycemic, whole food diet. Take fiber-rich foods to help detox estrogen, like flax seeds, chia, and leafy greens. Support your liver and gut microbiome for optimal hormone clearance. Conclusion plus viewer engagement. So next time your skin sends you a message, don't ignore it. It could be inflammation, a nutrient deficiency, a hormonal imbalance, or an overload of stress. But one thing's certain: it starts in the gut. Clean up your plate, heal your digestion, and your skin will often follow. Thank you for watching Viral Flow Media TV. Before you go, here's a question to reflect on. What's one skin issue you've dealt with? And do you think it could be connected to your gut? Drop your answers in the comments. We'd love to hear your story, and others might benefit too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because your health deserves the truth.